Hey, just a quick video of our progress. Ivan and the chicken coop. Here we go. It's got a little box here to open up for the eggs. And I think it's pretty cool. There's stuff happening. So there it is in all its glory, and he has some great ideas, so I will keep posted on the progress of this coop. There's the nesting boxes for now, and a shot of our plants that started sprouting.
Need a timer for that.
Where's the sprouts? Let's see. Oh, I don't see them. Oh, there they are.
Like that's like a day.
There they are. They're beets. Oh, all right.
This one I didn't mark, but it's peas, and they're popping up.
Peas already, but you don't. Oh yeah.
I don't know if they're just because Sadie helped me. They're growing. Look.
Oh yeah. Yep. It's probably pushed up because the root. All right. Here's the man behind the scenes right here. All right.
The man pulling the levers.
Yep, the man doing all the hard work. All right. Bye. Ciao, ciao. All right.